My name is Oguleye Adebola Clara. My experience so far has been awesome, amazing, and educative. I was given different tasks, and they were all challenging. But I was able to tackle it and to come out with a reasonable result. And during the course of the challenge, I've learned a lot of things. I've learned how to work under pressure and to come out with a valuable result. And I've learned how to work with team. At least I've worked with different people during the course of the training, and our collaboration has been awesome. We've been able to come out with a reasonable result. And during the course of the training, I've been able to learn how to apply agile project management, in handling projects, as a project manager. And the challenge I'm looking up to right now is, I know that the next challenge will be a challenge that will have to deal with me applying the skills, the agile skills that I've learned during the course of the program. So I'm actually looking up for the challenge, so as to know how to plan on handling it. Thank you.